Synopsis. MYDAR, a comprehensive guide for first-time homebuyers. MYDAR is designed to educate and empower first-time buyers and anyone considering purchasing real estate. It serves as an essential resource for those seeking clarity on the process and the key players involved in closing a real estate transaction. This guide will do the following. 1. Introduce the key players. MYDAR provides an in-depth description of all the companies involved in completing a real estate transaction. 2. Explain their roles and functions. Understand what each entity does and how they contribute to the process. 3. Protect you from predators. Learn how to recognize and avoid individuals or practices that take advantage of inexperienced buyers within the real estate profession. 4. Highlight common pitfalls. MYDAR offers practical advice on what not to do, helping you navigate your journey with confidence. MYDAR is your trusted companion for making informed and confident decisions in your real estate journey. Introduction. Thank you for taking the time to learn about MYDAR. MYDAR simplifies complex real estate information into clear, concise, and straightforward content. No unnecessary detours or confusion. By engaging with MYDAR, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the vital information that matters most to you, your family, and your friends. MYDAR not only outlines the responsibilities of real estate companies, but also guides you through the essential steps to purchase your first property with confidence. Whether you're new to real estate or need a refresher, MYDAR is your go-to resource. Knowledge is power, and MYDAR empowers you to make informed decisions. The companies that will help you with your first real estate purchase are: 1. The lending institution. Assists clients in securing financing for real estate purchases by offering a variety of loan options, assessing creditworthiness, and ensuring borrowers meet necessary qualifications. 2. The real estate company facilitates the buying, selling, and leasing of properties by connecting buyers and sellers, providing market insights, and guiding clients through transactions. 3. The title and escrow company ensures property ownership is legally transferred by conducting title searches, addressing liens or disputes, and managing the financial transaction securely. 4. The appraisal company provides an unbiased property valuation to ensure the price aligns with market conditions, often required by lenders during the loan approval process. 5. The home inspection company examines a property's physical condition, identifying potential issues or hazards to help buyers make informed decisions before purchasing. 6. The insurance company offers financial protection through policies covering homes, properties, or personal liability, ensuring peace of mind against potential risks. 7. The home warranty company provides coverage for repairs or replacements of essential home systems and appliances, protecting homeowners from unexpected costs. 8. The pesticide company specializes in pest control solutions, protecting properties from infestations that could cause structural or health-related problems. 9. The civil engineering company designs and oversees infrastructure and structural projects related to land development, such as grading, drainage, and utility systems. 10. The mold company identifies, removes, and prevents mold growth in properties, safeguarding occupants' health and maintaining structural integrity. Summary of services. These organizations collectively support various aspects of real estate transactions, property maintenance, and ownership. They enable financing, ensure legal and structural integrity, provide risk management, and enhance the safety and functionality of properties, ultimately facilitating a smooth and secure property ownership experience. Are all these companies required for a single real estate transaction? Yes. Traditionally, 7 out of these 10 companies play a crucial role in facilitating a single real estate transaction. However, it's important to note that additional companies may also be involved, depending on the specifics of the transaction. Furthermore, state regulations and practices vary across the United States. In many states, real estate transactions are handled by real estate law firms rather than title and escrow companies. These firms perform similar functions, such as managing the legal and financial aspects of the closing process, ensuring compliance with state laws, and protecting the interests of the parties involved. Understanding the variety of entities involved in a real estate transaction can help buyers and sellers navigate the process more effectively and ensure a smooth and successful closing. Great job finishing the video. Let's continue with the course.